Yes, you can recover formatted data from Android phones, depending on factors like whether the data has been overwritten and if you have a backup. In this video, we'll explore how to recover formatted data, both with and without a backup, using specialized tools. Part 1. How to recover formatted data from Android phone with a backup. 1.1 Using local backup. Go to Settings System Backup and Restore Backup to check for local backups. Look in the File Manager or SD card under Backup. Select a backup file and follow the steps to restore data. 1.2 Using Dropbox Backup. Open Dropbox and find the files you want to restore. Tap and hold a file to enter Selection Mode, then select Others. Tap the three-dot menu and choose Save to Device. Pick a folder to save the files locally. 1.3 Using Google Photos Backup. Open Google Photos, go to Library, and select Trash. Tap and hold an image to select multiple files, then tap Restore at the bottom right. 1.4 Using Google Drive Backup. Begin by logging in with the Google account that you utilized to back up the files on your smartphone. Next, navigate to Settings and select Backup and Reset. Choose Google account and activate the automatic restore option to retrieve the data on your device. Part 2. How to recover formatted data from Android phone or SD card without a backup. If you don't have a backup, use a professional recovery tool like Android Data Recovery. It scans your device, lets you preview files, and restores data to your computer without loss. Step 1. Detect and initiate the Android Data Recovery software on your computer. After the download and installation, connect your formatted device to the PC via USB cable. Adhere to the on-screen instructions to confirm that your phone is recognized. Step 2. Choose the specific file types you intend to recover. Select the desired data categories and click Next to commence the scanning process, which will identify all missing files on your device. Step 3. Recover once the scanning process is finished. Review and select the items you wish to recover. Finally, click Recover to start the data restoration from the formatted device.